The Great Orchestra Adventure. If you were in an orchestra, what would you play? Would you choose a big, booming tuba, a shiny, bright trumpet, or a silly, wobbly saxophone? Perhaps you would prefer a stringed instrument like a graceful violin or a deep-voiced cello, or maybe you would enjoy the percussion section more, where all the noisy fun happens. You could play the kettle drum with a loud boom, or the cymbals with a crash. There are also instruments with keyboards, like the grand piano with its black and white smile. Some instruments have strings that you can strum. A guitar, a banjo, and a mandolin are all friends who love to sing along when you play them. There are instruments that you blow into to make a sound. A flute, a French horn, and a harmonica are all waiting for your breath to bring them to life. And don't forget the instruments you hit with a stick. A drum and a cymbal are two pals who love to make a big, exciting noise. If you join an orchestra, you have to watch the conductor. He's like the captain of the musical ship, guiding everyone through the song. He will lead you through the piece of music, telling you when to play loud and when to play soft. You might just want to be in a band for fun, like a rock band or a dance band. Some people learn to read music. Music notes are like little black bugs written on a staff, and each one tells you what sound to make. There are whole notes, half notes, quarter notes, and eighth notes. Each one is held for a different number of beats. It's like a secret code for making beautiful music.